Right guys, so I needed to just head back to do some shopping, so I thought I'd make a quick video of the car in the evening. You may be able to see it from there, the engine management light is on. That's due to a lambda sensor and O2 sensor, so that will get sorted. As you can see here, usual bulbs are dim. Normally fixes it. You've had Hondas before, you know that little trick. Just wanted to see, I'll show you guys the car running as it were. Make a quick video of lights, etc., so you can see how they look in the evening. So I'll quickly nip out and show you what they look like now. So guys, just wanted to show you what it looked like in the evening, or with the lights on at night. So there's a USDM rear lights, so they're just as they come from the US cars. The number plate light's a little bit dim, but you get the idea. And then I've got Osram night breakers at the front. It's probably difficult to tell, and this is only on an iPhone, so the quality is probably not brilliant, but they're better than standard, obviously, light bulbs. There's my shopping in the back. So yeah, let's see what the car looks like with the lights on anyway. I'll make a quick video of driving past it, and then that'll be all for today. Cheers. Driving the car home, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of an idea as to how it drives. Obviously I did the manual swap. Gears, can't complain. A little bit stiff sometimes going to reverse, but I want to put it first and then do the reverse. Select the reverse, it's fine. Might just be some bushes. So the EMR's on, but a sensor apparently will sort that. That's what was advised when I did the swap, so it's just obviously a dodgy sensor. Idles and everything fine. Can't really complain. I mean, it's a bit cold now. I just nipped out to the shops. It's in the evening. Other than that, I mean, I just put a D16 Z6 in. I didn't want to do anything too special. Could have gone B series, could have even gone K like my other cars. But this is just a daily. It's a budget build. I don't want to go too extravagant on the expense. The engine conversion itself is pretty cheap. I'm hoping any if replacements are needed, they're not going to cost too much. I may modify it a little bit in the future. Contemplate turbo, but we'll see what happens. I'm not one to kind of fix myself to a particular plan. But, it's pepped it up from the LSI motor. It's a lot nippier. It keeps up the traffic, which is the main thing I was looking for. I've not changed the clocks. Didn't see any particular reason to, unless some manual ESI clocks pop up, but they'll probably kind of make it more natural to the engine. But I hope you can hear me with the sound exhaust. I mean, it's not too loud, but there's still definitely a bit of a sound there. Not much else to say really. I'm just going to do some more improvements. As I mentioned in the last video, the front bumper, I've been getting some quotes on that. A couple of friends have given me some prices, so that's in the pipeline. Get the front bumper sorted. Got a VTI lip to go on the front. Got the necessary bits needed to secure that to the bumper. there's I bought a couple of wings just because the brackets on the existing wings are a bit rusty, so the mounting points, should I say, they've kind of rusted away, which is a bit of a shame because the wings are fine otherwise. They've got the kind of the Bel Air insignia logo going across them, but I guess it's not the end of the world if that's taken off. Crazy because it's a busy road and I'm a sensible driver. We're not in Mexico. And it is slightly snowy. I'll take it out for a proper drive in it at some point. I'll just nip it to the shop, so I thought it'd be nice to just show you the car in the evening, what it sounds like, what the lights look like. It's going to give a little quick reminder of what I plan on doing to it soon. I bought some the original VTI AG6, AG9 alloys, which are on the way. Once they arrive, they'll be refurbed. It'd be really interesting to see how the car characteristics change from a 16-inch alloy to a 15-inch lighter wheel, so we'll see how that goes. But more importantly, I mean, I prefer the look. I quite like the look of them on the original alloys. These wheels won't go to waste. There's plenty of other cars for them to go on to. That's it for tonight. Cheers, guys.